Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So one of the very important updates from the IBM. So finally they have announced the hiring for 2026 pass out batch. So if you are 2026 pass out batch, then IBM have announced a important hiring for the role of associate system engineer. And these are the job locations: Mysore, Ahmedabad, Coimbatore, Lucknow, and you can go through all that. And this is a entry level, means 2026 pass out batch are eligible. So this is the first hiring for the 2026 pass out batch from the IBM. Earlier, basically lots of hiring was going on for the 2025 pass out batch. So you should apply for this important opportunity, but make sure to go through complete detail of this video. So पहले बात करूँ, primary responsibilities include analytical problem solving, comprehensive engagement across process phases, and strategic stakeholder engagement. So requirement is bachelor degree and programming language prefer in Java, C++, Python, Node.js. So any one programming language you should know. Okay, and software development lifecycle concept, that is the SDLC concept, and no active backlog allow. That's why, friends, I regularly said that keep your eye on the semester exam, because if you get backlog, then you might not able to eligible in various company. Okay, so year of pass out 2026 pass out clearly लिखा हुआ है, और कौन लोग एलिजिबल है? BE BTech in computer science or CS branch like CSC, AIML, data science, cloud computing, big data analytics, CSBS, CSBS even eligible. Okay, IoT, robotics, AI. So computer science related जो भी branches all are eligible, and you should be having 6 CGPA minimum or 60%, and fluent communication skill, written and spoken, because you will be judged written and spoken. I will make detailed video if your comment will be there. So must comment that whether you want the coding questions pattern video or not. So accordingly I will make the video. But this is a great opportunity, so take it seriously and apply properly, because after Deloitte NLA, this is one of the greatest hiring for 2026 pass out batch. And if you haven't applied for Deloitte NLA 8, then I will suggest must apply. Today is the last date. Deloitte NLA already made video related to registration date, so it has been extended. And if you want detailed calendar or any update related to Deloitte, must subscribe us, because I regularly post lots of important job update in my YouTube channel. So that will be really helpful for you too. Okay, so must apply, and these are the your IBM's lives and all things. So this is an important opportunity for applying. You can see this is the regular or permanent job, and for applying just click here apply now. After that, if you are the fresh candidates, means if you haven't applied earlier, then you have to, means you can continue with Google. Okay, otherwise create an IBM ID. If you are freshers, then create an IBM ID, and after that apply. Okay, so when you will click on create an IBM ID, then a new window will appear. First of all, you have to give your email, password, first name, last name, and make sure to give all the detail very carefully, because IBM have a strong बेसिकली चेक्स पॉइंट्स. ओके, सो आप अच्छे से सभी डिटेल को दीजिए एंड गो एंड अप्लाई फॉर दिस इज वन वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी. एंड ऑल्सो आई रेगुलरली पोस्ट लॉट्स ऑफ जॉब अपडेट इन दिस चैनल. So currently, lots of hiring is going on for freshers too. So you can apply for all that. Like say graduate programs and other programs are going on. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, friends, feel free to ask here. मैं आपको रिप्लाई करने का as soon as possible करूँगा. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.